friends, I'm doing this job for Pixy cage because just this edges, no, the sharp edges is there here. I think the manufacturers, they didn't do it properly. It is very sharp. I just bought a metal file from shop, and I tried with this one doing maximum, but still it is sharp. If I am doing my nail like this, you guys can see here how it is forming a scratch. See, I filed it. After that also, see, it is scratching my nail. The same way, more hard Pixy will do rub his beak, so that time it will make so much scratches on his beak, which will be really very odd to see. A cute bird should have a cute beak. That is why I am doing my own idea. So I am just see, I am just covering this sharp edges with this rope, and I am just rolling it over like this. See, already I have done one roll here. So like this, if you do, it will avoid 99% for sure. It will avoid the scratches or the beak. See, my little bird is here. He is watching what I am doing. Pixy, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Pixy. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come on again, Pixy. Give me a kiss. Pixy, here. Here, buddy. Pixy. Pixy. Give me a kiss, buddy. Okay, go. Stay there. Okay, guys, see. This is how I'm doing it. Keeping a bird is not a just easy job as we think. We'll just think that we'll buy a bird and we'll bring him home. We'll do it within a fraction of minutes or within like one day decision. But I advise you people, if you want to buy a bird, especially the African grey or Amazon parrots or anything like that, you have to be ready to be a lifetime commitment to take care of the bird. Okay, it is not like other pets at home like a cat or a dog. Parrot needs so much attention from you, so it will be just like a boy, baby boy, or just like a baby girl, a new baby boy and a new baby girl to our home. We need lots of attention, and we need to dedicate our time. We need to dedicate our the precious time what we think. Please don't buy a bird if you don't have a time. Okay, if you are going job and if you are only having evening free time or morning free time, please don't buy a bird like that. You just decide before buying a bird. If you have a time to spend with him, then go for it. No problem. So this is my advice for you guys. Finished work, how it is coming like this. See, maximum it will avoid the sharp edges. I did this only for the upper row, and for the other areas I will try to file it out. Okay, Pixy is playing over there. Pixy is coming. here. Hi Pixie. What is happening to your home, buddy? Pixie? What is happening? Pixie? What are you doing there down? Wait, I'll make ready. May is also watching silently. He's always a silent bird. He don't make much sounds like Pixie. Pixie, come on buddy, come on. See guys, I told you how sharp this edges will be. Show here. See, when I was filing this one, I just had a touch here like this, and see how deeply it got ripped and open. See, that is why I am doing this important work for Pixie, so that he will be safe. Please you guys, when you are doing this work, if you want to do this work like filing the metal edges, use gloves, leather gloves or any gloves to avoid this injuries. And almost my work done. Now it's ready. And our dear Pixie is just watching his cage now from here. I'll put him inside now and let me see what he will do. Now I think work is done good. See guys, you can see all this work. It won't be any scratches. It won't do any scratches to our Pixie. So he'll be good and he'll become more smarter with his smart beak. Is it not Pixie? Pixie? Good boy.